My name's Gordon and I've worked for Maersk for the last 23 years. My main role here is packing orders and building pallets. But for anybody who's played Tetris, they would find this job fairly easy because you try to get your boxes to fit in the right places in the right way, and it is just like playing Tetris, which has killed many a Saturday afternoon for me. As the pallet gets built, we just load it or load it right back down to the ground. The big boxes first, they go in the bottom, so they're the solid base, and then you just build on top of that. But there will always be gaps in the structure, so we use smaller packets to fill those up. I think a lot of it's just common sense, and if you have an eye for it, you do fine, and if you don't, then you run the risk of it collapsing later on. You learn a little bit each time when you build a pallet because there are different ways of doing it. But I mean, we work well as a team here, and everything gets done within the allotted time, so that's never really a problem, which is good.